In this session, we will try and understand about direction in India's foreign trade and global opportunity. Foreign trade of any country comprises of trade in goods and trade in services. Example of trade in goods are textile, agricultural commodities, automobile, electronic product, etc. Whereas services such as tourism, information technology, entertainment, education, etc. are part of trade and services. If we look at India's foreign trade in 2020-21, then India's export were 219 billion US dollar as compared to its import of 389.18 billion US dollar. Since imports are more than exports, therefore we have a trade deficit of 98.56 billion US dollar. If we look at India's trade and services, then India's total export was 202.57 billion US dollar, whereas import was 116.75 billion US dollar. In case of trade and services, since our exports are more than imports, therefore we have a trade surplus of 85.18 billion US dollar. If we look at total trade, which comprises of trade in goods and trade in services, then India's total export was 493.19 billion US dollar and imports were 505.94 billion US dollar and trade deficit was 12.74 billion US dollar. This slide will help you in understanding trend in India's trade in goods for last 5 years. As you can see that the export gradually increased from 2016-17 to 2018-19 when it was 330.07 billion US dollar. And after that, there has been a decline due to a lot of reasons like recession in the major export markets like US and Europe, and also because of the pandemic situations. The imports also have been gradually rising. Imports were 384.35 billion US dollar in 2016-17 and was at its peak in 2018-19 with 514.07 billion US dollar. There always have been a trade deficit as far as trade in goods is concerned. This is the diagrammatic representation of what we have seen in the previous slide. You can see that until 1819, exports and imports both have been increasing, and there has been a slight decrease after that. And there always have been a trade deficit. If you look at trends in India's trade and services, we always had a trade surplus. In 2016-17, India's export was 164.19 billion US dollars as compared to its import of 95.85 billion US dollar. In 2019-20, the export of services were at its peak with 214.14 billion US dollar and import was 131.41 billion US dollar. You can see that we always had a trade surplus as far as trade and services is concerned. So this again is a diagrammatic representation of the figures that we had seen in the previous slide. So there has been consistent increase as far as export of services is concerned till 2019-20, whereas in 2021 there was a decline. One very important fact to note out here is that we always had a surplus as far as export of services is concerned. This is a comparative diagram for trend in India's trade in goods and trade in services. You can see the black bars which represent the trade surplus or trade deficit. You can see that in case of trade in goods, there always have been a trade deficit, but in case of trade in services, there always have been a trade surplus. If you look at major commodities exported from India in 2021, then it comprises of mineral fuels, pearls, precious stone, pharmaceuticals, nuclear reactor, organic chemicals, electrical machine, and so on. Similarly, if you look at major destinations where goods are being exported from India, then US is at number one position, followed by China, UAE, Hong Kong, Bangladesh, Singapore, Germany, and UK. If you look at India's import, then The largest export is from China, followed by US, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, Switzerland, and Iraq. Major commodities which India is importing are mineral fuels, pearls, precious stones, electrical machinery, nuclear reactor, organic chemical, plastics, and articles thereof. If you look at India's export basket of services, then it comprises of telecommunication, computer, and information services. The export of these services was 96 billion US dollar in 2019-20, and India had a share of 45% as far as India's total export is concerned. Number two, the export comprised of business services. Similarly, if you look at India's import of services, then it comprises of business services, travel, transport, and so on. India's major export destination for export of services are US, followed by UK, and then is Germany, Netherlands, and after that is France. This slide depicts countries which are largest exporter of services in 2019. As per WTO statistics, US was the largest exporter of services with 14% share, followed by UK, Germany, France, China. India is at 8th position with 4% share in export of services. This is a very interesting slide which talks about India's share in global exports since 1948. So, a year after independence, India had a share of 2.2% in global export, which gradually declined. But after the liberalization policies of Government of India, the India share in global exports have been increasing. And again, as per WTO statistics, in 2019, India had a share of 1.8% in global exports. This slide depicts India's share in global trade in last 5 years. If you look at India's share in export of goods, then it has been constant around 1.7%. Similarly, if we look at India's share in import of goods, then it was 2.4% in 2015 and increased to 2.6% in 2019. Whereas if we look at India's share in export of services, then India had a share of 3.3% in 2015, which increased to 3.5% in 2019. Similarly, if we look at India's share in global import of services, it was 2.7% in 2015 and increased to 3.1% in 2019. If you look at India's share in global exports, which means that export of goods and export of services both, then India had a share of 5% in 2015, which increased to 5.3% in 2019. Similarly, India's share in total global import, which comprises of import of goods and import of services, was 5.1% in 2015, which increased to 5.7% in 2019. We look at India's share in total global trade, which comprises of both exports and imports of goods and services, then India had a share of 10.1% in global trade, which increased to 11% in 2019. This slide from WTO depicts how India's rank has changed as far as trade in goods is concerned. You can see that India was at 18th position in 2019 and it moved to 15th position in 2019. If we talk about trade in services, India was at 12th position in 2019 and has now moved to top 10 countries in 2019, where India is at 10th position. This slide talks about future outlook as far as India's export is concerned. As per Economic Times dated 14th May 2020-21, government is very confident that India will be able to achieve its target of 400 billion US dollar by financial year 2022. On May 3rd, 2011, government had set a target for total export of 500 billion US dollar. But because of recession in the global market, India could not achieve the target. Thank you for watching this video. And in case you have any queries, you can write to me at alkamya@gmail.com. Thank you.